Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore essential data analysis techniques that help you uncover meaningful patterns and trends in your data. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about descriptive statistics. This technique involves summarizing and describing the main features of a data set. Common metrics include mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and variance. Descriptive statistics provide a quick overview of the data, helping you understand its basic characteristics. Next, we have data visualization. Visualization techniques like bar charts, pie charts, histograms, and scatter plots help you represent data graphically. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib in Python make it easier to identify patterns, trends, and outliers visually. Another powerful technique is regression analysis. It's used to understand the relationship between dependent and independent variables. Linear regression, for example, helps predict the value of a dependent variable based on the value of one or more independent variables. This technique is widely used in forecasting and trend analysis. Clustering is a technique used to group similar data points together. It's commonly used in market segmentation, image analysis, and pattern recognition. K-means clustering is one of the most popular methods, where data points are grouped into clusters based on their features. Time series analysis involves analyzing data points collected or recorded at specific time intervals. This technique is used to identify trends, seasonal patterns, and cyclical behavior in data over time. It's commonly applied in finance, economics, and weather forecasting. Lastly, let's discuss hypothesis testing. This technique is used to determine if there is enough evidence to support a particular hypothesis about a data set. Common tests include t-tests, chi-square tests, and ANOVA. Hypothesis testing helps in making data-driven decisions by testing assumptions. These data analysis techniques are essential for extracting meaningful insights from your data. Understanding and applying these methods will enhance your ability to make data-driven decisions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore data visualization in more detail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification